Oh, she got her D&Gs. She finally got her D&Gs. I'm so happy. Hey, what's up everyone? I am back again, Rave Simone, with another video. Of course, we already know what kind of video it is. It is an unboxing video, but before we get into that video, follow me on Instagram at Rave Simone, and make sure you do like, comment, and subscribe to this video. So always remember, look out for all the Rave Simone TV videos. And of course, I'll be coming at you with like whether it's a vlog or it's going to be an unboxing or a haul. Maybe we'll incorporate some other things, but right now let's get into this unboxing. So make sure you stay tuned, and again, like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for being here, guys. All right, so here we go. We are getting into the unboxing video. I hope you guys are just as excited as I am. I'm telling you, I have been waiting for these shoes for entirely too long, and it's finally here. Let me give you all the specs and stuff. Let me get my phone. So here's the thing. So I bought the Dolce Gabbana Logo sandals in black and gold. Well, they're black. The heel is, of course, I think all the heels are gold. The D&G on it is going to be gold. Got mine in a size 7. Before we get into that, I ordered off of neimanmarcus.com. I'm telling you guys, I have been looking at these shoes for months. And finally, I pulled the trigger last Tuesday. Today's Monday. I pulled the trigger last Tuesday to go ahead and move forward with buying them. I go ahead and I buy them. I get the expedited shipping, so it's the next day shipping. So with me ordering them Tuesday afternoon, they're expected to come on Thursday. Thursday comes, not here. Now they're saying they'll be here by Saturday. Actually, I want to say Friday. Actually, it was Friday. They said it'll be here. Never received it. Still is waiting. It looks like it was still in transit, a whole nother state. And I was in like panic mode because I wanted to wear them this weekend. I really wanted to wear them, but it's all good. I mean, they're shoes that I've been wanting forever anyway. So I went ahead and just calmed the hell down and waited for them. So now they're finally here. Now here's the only thing. I am going to be contacting Neiman Marcus for my $25 back. I paid $25 for the expedited shipping, and again, ordered on Tuesday. Here it is, it's Wednesday. Now, I'm not going to bash Neiman Marcus because here's one good thing about them. So my fiance, he actually went ahead and ordered he had got some Louis Vuitton shoes, and unfortunately his did not come in that expedited time. So what he did was today he contacted Neiman Marcus, got the money back for the expedited shipping that he paid for. Like, they automatically did it, which was really good of them. Like, no questions asked. I mean, they could see in the system your stuff didn't come the next day. So I have no problem with that, so it's good. So I'll contact them myself, either if not today then tomorrow, to go ahead and get my money back. I think it's only fair to get the money back if you didn't get the service that you were expecting, which would be next day. So if that does happen to you, the price was $1,195. Again, shipping next day, $25. Ordered them from neimanmarcus.com. Got them in a size 7. As you guys know, I ordered on last Tuesday. Here it is. It's the very next week, Monday, and now I have them. So I received them maybe this morning. Well, actually, maybe not even this morning. Early afternoon before I went to the movies today. And I saved everything just for you guys. I wanted to open this box so badly, but I didn't. I held off because I knew I needed to do this unboxing video. So I'm going to go ahead and cover my goodness. Cover my address. All right, so they ship through FedEx. It comes from Irving, Texas. And as you guys can see, it says Friday, July 23rd by 4:30. Standard overnight. And it sure didn't get to me. But that's all right. That's all right. You know, the Lord said hang up, wait on it. But it comes in a regular box like this. At least, you know, the external box. But let's go ahead and get into opening her up. I'm just going to use my nails for this. Whew, I am excited. I'm so glad you guys are able to experience this with me. Jeepers. Again, I've been waiting forever for these shoes. Woo. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. All right. Check it out. Okay. So here we go. You're going to get the little description thing. I guess this is for like if you have to return the item. And let's see, the leather sandal with LE something. Oh, please use a carpeted surface to try on your shoes. The color is black, size 7, or up here 370. Price $11.95. Cool. All right, so let's hang on to that just in case I do have to turn these back in. Ooh. All right, so here goes the Dolce Gabbana box. Dolce & Gabbana. Okay. And let's take her on out. Anything else inside? No, just I guess the wrapping paper. Let's put that down. All right, so it looks like they put a rubber band on it just to keep everything in there. The box definitely, it's nice. Oh, this is actual fabric where the Dolce & Gabbana sign is. That's fabric. And right here, as you can see, it's going to show you well, let me make sure I don't have any of my personal information. Okay, no. So it's going to show you everything you need to know about the shoe. Let me get a little closer. Cool. Now, I am going to make sure I drop the link to let you guys know, where to buy the shoe if you are interested in purchasing her. Ooh, okay. All right, so we got a little something here. Let me see. Nothing's inside of it though. Some little envelope. Nothing in it. I thought the little shoe taps would be in it, but we will. Let's see. Got a little dust bag. It says Dolce & Gabbana. Okay. All right. Here she is. She's coming out. Like, it's a whole bunch of tissue. Okay, I could let you guys know how it smells. Smells like new shoes. Smells like leather, actually. Here we go. Here go those taps. Well, so here's the great thing about designer shoes. Now, I'm not sure if, I don't think other shoes do it. Maybe they do. I don't think I've ever noticed, but designer shoes, what I'm noticing is they will send you taps. The little shoe taps that go on that shoe. So you ever had, if you've ever worn a pair of shoes, and I'm talking about worn them out, you have to put on a new tap on there because it's going to balance. You'll be back on balance. I'm telling you, because sometimes sometimes with my shoes, I feel like I walk too hard on one side or something, but it'll start slanting and then it messes up how you when you're standing in them. I feel like you have to put more pressure. Just something is just not right about it. So anyways, but you've got the taps on there. If you don't know how to put them on, then you can always go to a shoe guy and get them fixed, or a shoe woman. I forget the name, the shoe repair spots or whatever. You can always go there and have that fixed for you. But let's put her down. All right, so here goes shoe number 1. Okay. Oh, all right. Dolce & Gabbana, made in Italy. That's where I was born. So yeah, that's kind of cute. You gotta have a shoe from here. Oh, these are exactly what I've been wanting. Look, here goes the first shoe, the D. Kind of funny, I said the D. Get it? All right, so as you're going to see on the shoe, you have like little stones, or I guess let's just call them little diamanty or something. Little diamond rhinestones on it. I'm trying to get close and make sure this focuses so you guys can see her. Get a little closer. Okay, let me pull it back. So yeah, anyways, on the little buckle part, you're gonna have the little diamonds and stuff right there. And then you've got your D, it's gold, and it's got all this really pretty detailing. Super pretty. Oh, look at her, she's so pretty. Nice leather, and she's so simple. It's just a simple shoe. Oh, what does it say at the bottom? Oh, Vero, Sushio, made in Italy. I wish I knew Italian, but that's all right, because one day I'm gonna learn. Anyways, so you've got the little wording right on the bottom letting you know it is made in Italy. So these are things definitely to look for if you ever buy like a pair of and if you do buy some shoes, maybe buy them off of someone. Maybe you find them on Poshmark. These videos are great just to kind of not only to let you know like, oh hey, I bought a shoe, but to kind of give you information on what to be looking for when you're looking for a real one, or just to let you know, I mean, to see if it's a shoe that you want to even buy. So these unboxing videos, I find them to be so helpful. Like I really do. So I hope that you guys do as well. Let's go ahead and open up the G. Okay. Oh, here she comes. Look at her. Now we have the G. Check her out. Oh, yes. She's gorgeous. Look at her. Oh, she's gonna look so amazing. So same here. You've got the little buckle part that's gonna have the little diamonds on it. Leather black shoe. Looks like it has a nice arch to it. You've got that gold G with the very pretty detailing on it. And then remember I mentioned those taps. So here goes the tap right here. If you have to replace it, of course that comes out. And you put the new one in there. If you run out of taps, then you can always, I want to say that some companies actually you can order them from. Or if you do have a person that you go to like to get your shoes fixed or whatever, they usually have those pieces. But if you're really anal about it, I'm very sure you can get the shoe tabs from the actual company. Okay. All right, so there were some things I do. Oh, let's take a look at them together. Ah. Oh, you gotta make that thumbnail. This is my thumbnail. So happy. I love them, y'all. I really do. Look at those. So size 7. I am a true 7. I can fit a true 7. So if you are a 7, go ahead. You could get you a 7, girl. Yeah. These are cute. And they're so simple, but yet just like, they make a statement. Just a simple statement. Yeah. Okay, girls. Let me hang on to this chair so I can show you. These are definitely cute as ever. Okay, next side. Yeah, they're cute. From first glance, absolutely love them. And first feels in them, they do feel fine. The fact that the heel is very flat right here. There's absolutely not a bit of a platform to kind of balance out the heel and, you know, this part here. Because the more platform you have right here, the less heel you're actually really walking on. but the less here, you're really, this is all the heel you got, baby. This is a 4.1 inch vintage logo letter heel. Okay. So yeah, 4 inches. So you're really actually walking on 4 inches. There is no platform here. So I can see these maybe if you're not much of a heel wearer, or if you're like me, where you love to wear heels, but your feet will still be hurting anyway, then yeah, these still gonna hurt. They gonna hurt a little bit right here at least. But you know, we're not going to give that, we're not gonna be definite on that just yet, because I have not actually walked around with them. I do see myself probably putting some little the little padding and stuff right here for my feet. Other than that, I think the shoe should be just fine. By the way, I do want to go back to the strap thing. I kept saying diamanty and stuff. It's actually crystals. They're crystals. They're crystals. So when you put them on, you let people know, yes, I have gold shoes with crystals on them. Okay? Yeah. I've been wanting them. I just love how they look. I think they're very classic. There are some other D&G shoes that with the logo heel. Now and then, I think it is so important to just do something nice for yourself. If you really want it, I'm telling you right now, this is your sign. Go ahead, pull the trigger, get it. I mean, you've got the money for it. You've been wanting it for way too long. Just go ahead and order, girl. Just get them. And it don't even have to be these. If you wanted those YSLs, girl, order them. You want the little Louboutins, you better go ahead and order them. They sitting right there for you. You want the Telfar bag, you want the Brandon Blackwood, let's go, let's get it, come on. But anyways, as stated before, so I'm going to do, other than the unboxing video, my next video on these shoes is just going to be about giving you an update. I want to say, yeah, after I wore them, after I have worn them, I'm going to go ahead and provide another review on how they went. Are they comfortable? Are they worth the money? And do I still like them? I mean, really, I think the biggest thing is definitely being comfortable in them. And then make sure too, did I get the right size? Yes, I tried them on and they feel just fine. But I'm going to make sure walking around in them, do I still feel comfortable in them? So I will do another video. I am thinking about wearing them. Maybe I'll wear them today, maybe. And then I can give you guys an update tomorrow, something like that. We'll see. If I don't wear them anytime soon, at least by the weekend, I'll have them on, but I'll release another video. But as of right now, at least we've got that unboxing out of the way. Now you have seen the shoes, and now this is confirmation that you need to go ahead and order your shoe, girl. Order it, sis. Let's go. That's it. But that's all I have for you guys. So remember, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you like the video, definitely let me know. Let me know if there's anything else you guys want to see. And then also, please make sure you do follow me on Instagram at Rave Simone. And I hope to see you guys again on my next video. So see you later.